Now, has anyone seen a big, hairy, multicoloured monster around here?
Hey, that gives me a monster idea!
I thought it might.
Let's get monster making! Hi!
It's a ginger cat carton. For this monster make, we'll need a clean, empty carton, some card, a sticker, paint, and a pen. First, let's take the lid off the carton.
I was hoping you'd say that.
You can paint your cat any colour you like.
Painty, painty, monster painty! Hey, 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 hey!
Leave that to dry. Now let's get drawing. Our cat needs arms. Feet, ears, and a long tail. On a piece of pink card, let's draw a tongue and two smaller ear shapes. Now take the white card and draw two circles for the eyes. And finally, on blue card, draw a fish shape with a fin.
Now for some monster cutting magic.
Brilliant, and make sure you ask a grown-up to help when using scissors.
Come on, Rebecca, let's sticky glue all the pieces to our dry carton.
Glue on the ears, the eyes, tongue, arms, feet, and tail.
Sticky, sticky, stick!
Bend the arms, then wrap and glue them to the fish. And add a sticker for the fish's eye. Now draw on some details with a pen. Oh, one more thing. Let's screw the lid back on.
For a cute nose.
There we have it. One carton cat, all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
See you next time.
Hey, that gives me a monster idea.
I thought it might.
Let's get monster making! Hi!
It's a tall dog. As well as this long box, we'll need another box, stickers, colourful card, and paint. Let's make the dog's body first.
That's a great place to start.
Take the long box and stick the smaller box to the top of it. Now we can start painting the boxes. You can paint yours any colour you like.
I love painting. Painty, painty, monster painty.
Nice painting, Murphy.
Hey, 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 hey! Thanks. Now we can leave it to dry.
In the meantime, on a sheet of blue card, draw two ear shapes. A tail, an oval for a tummy, a nose, and some spots. On a piece of pink card, draw a tongue like this. Murphy, can we have some monster magic, please?
You know it!
Amazing! But remember, be careful with scissors and ask a grown-up if you need help.
Is it sticky, sticky glue time?
It sure is. Stick the ears to the back of the head.
Sticky, sticky, monster sticky!
Add the nose shape. The tongue. The belly. Tail. Add stickers for eyes. And a little pink nose. And finally, draw on some details. There we have it, a tall dog, all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
Bye! Now, has anyone seen a big, hairy, multicoloured monster around here?
Hey, that gives me a monster idea!
I thought it might. It's a shoebox bunny.
Let's get monster making! Hi!
For this monster make, we'll need a shoebox, coloured card, 2 cheese boxes, paint and stickers. Start by painting the shoebox and cheese boxes. Our bunny will be pink, but yours can be any colour you like.
I was hoping you'd say that. Painty, painty, monster painty!
Leave those to one side to dry. Next, we need some pink paper. Let's draw long bunny ears.
Drawy, drawy, monster draw!
Arms. Circles for cheeks. And a nose. On white paper, draw 2 more long bunny ears, slightly thinner than the pink ones. These will be the insides of the ears. Now we need to carefully cut everything out.
This calls for some monster cutting.
Thanks, Murphy. Let's stick everything together.
Bum, 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 bum.
These cheese boxes will be the feet.
I love sticking!
The arms can go on either side of the box like this. Give them a curl so they bend in front of the body. And we can stick the white ears on top of the pink ones. And stick them to the box. Let's stick the cheeks to either side. And the nose here. What else does our bunny's face need?
Let's do the eyes!
Brilliant! For those we can use
Stickers!
exactly! And some stickers to the feet too. We can also draw a mouth shape like this. This bunny looks brilliant. All it needs now is a tasty carrot.
Here you are, Rebecca.
Thanks, Murphy. This one is brilliant and is made from a triangle of orange paper with a torn scrap of green paper for leaves. There we have it. One brilliant shoebox bunny, all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
See you next time.